multi-generational living. So renovating your house for that, what are some of the things you should consider, and do you think that would add value when you go to sell in future? You know, you've got parents who are looking to downsize, providing that opportunity through renovations. What opportunities are there for someone who's looking to sell?
I love this question. I am biased. I've grown up in a multi-generational household. I think there's lots of benefits. What we know, what the data very clearly tells us, is that we have an ageing population in Queensland. Yep. But we also have data that really shows us very clearly that many of us need help with raising kids and juggling the complexities of modern life. So I think there are massive advantages for everyone associated with looking at creating dual living homes and multi-generational households. And so that's going to include things like granny flats, and we've seen local governments and state governments relaxing the laws around the addition of a granny flat, which can be a great option. Then you can have people still living independently but very close by, and so that can be a great way of looking after ageing parents, as well as getting the benefit of an extra pair of hands to help out with raising the kids. And then secondly, we might even think about adding an entirely new level at the top of the house, or perhaps at the bottom of the home. So again, they're all great opportunities, or simply extending out the property if you've got the land to do that. And so I think that's a really great way of being able to kill a number of birds with one stone. And I think that's something that as Australians we need to get better at embracing, particularly at a time when affordability is top of mind, and we know that it is extremely challenging to find property. It could be a great way of solving for that problem. Hi, I'm Antonia Mercorella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from PropIQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.